Hi kids, so I have a special friend for you today to help us out with our math. This is one of Pikachu's good friends, Charmander, and Charmander is going to help us practice our coins. Now I know we've done coins and money in class, but it's always good to do things again so we really understand it. So I'm going to show you a couple pictures of different coins, and Charmander's going to help me in a little bit. Right, Charmander? Yep, he's going to help me. Okay. So the first coin I want us to look at is, go ahead and take a look. If you know this coin, you can say it. It's a penny. And on the front is our President Abraham Lincoln. He used to be our president. And if we keep going, here's a real picture of him, President Abraham Lincoln. On the back side of the penny is the Lincoln Memorial. And we all remember a penny is worth how much? Good, 1 cent. And the edges of the penny are smooth. Always remember that when you feel it, you can feel the edges. They're very smooth. There's no bumps on them. So a penny is small and smooth. Let's look at another coin. Go ahead and look at this one. This coin, take a look at it. If you know it, you can say it. This is the nickel. On the front is Thomas Jefferson. Again, the edges on this coin, they're going to be smooth. There's no bumps. It's very smooth. Here's a picture of Thomas Jefferson. On the other side of the coin, it's the building on the back. It's called the Monticello, a large home that Jefferson designed and built himself. And this coin is worth 5 cents. So you need 5 pennies to make a nickel. Okay, let's look at another one. Here is the dime. A dime, the edges are going to be bumpy. If you feel the edges of a dime, there's little ridges and it feels bumpy. It's a small coin. On the front is Franklin D. Roosevelt. Here's a picture of him. And on the back, the torch in the middle signifies liberty. There's olive branches and an oak branch. And a dime is worth 10 cents. I like this picture because you can really see the edges of the dime. You can see how it's bumpy. You can feel them, so that's worth 10 cents. Then we have a quarter. Here's our quarter. And on the front is George Washington. And on the back is the American bald eagle. Quarter is worth 25 cents. And the edges are also bumpy on this one. So if you feel a quarter, you're going to feel those little bumps. So those are our coins. If you pick up a packet this week, there's going to be some pages you can practice with coins, but Charmander and I are going to show you some real coins right now, right? All right, so Charmander is going to take some coins, put them on the camera for you. Okay, Charmander, get some coins. Right? Okay. So Charmander put some coins on here. Let's try and make it a little bit bigger. There we go. Let's turn them forward. So looking at these coins, I want you to look at them. Tell me, how many quarters do you see? Quarters. Those are worth 25 cents. Good. There's 2. 1, 2. And they have George Washington on the front. That side is called heads. On the back side, called tails, they normally have the bald eagle or a special state. Okay. How many, Charmander, what should we ask? How many dimes do you see? Dimes. Good. 1 dime. Okay. How many nickels do you see? Nickels. Those are worth 5 cents. Good, there's 2. So we had 2 quarters, 1 dime, and 2 nickels. Awesome job. Let's try it another way. Okay, Charmander, get some more coins. Ooh, he got a whole bunch this time. Are you ready, Charmander? Oh my goodness. Let's see what we got. Ooh, we got a bunch. Okay. How many pennies do you see? Remember, pennies are worth 1 cent. They're pretty easy because they stand out. They're that copper color. So there are 2 pennies. 1, 2. Good. How many dimes do you see? Dimes are worth 10 cents. They're small, silver, and they have the little bumps on the edge. Good, there's 3. 1, 2, 3. And as you see, all of these are showing the tail side, but if you flip them over, that's the head side, but they're still worth 10 cents. Okay. How many nickels do you see? 1, 2, and those are worth 5 cents. So again, this is the head side. If you turn it over, that's tails, heads and tails. Okay, and last but not least, quarters. There are 2 quarters. Good job. And those are worth 25 cents. So when you go to your work this week, you have a couple pages for practice. But what I want you to send me a picture of is these 2 purple pages. So it says Module 15 Assessment, and there's questions at the bottom of the page that your mom or dad, brother, sister, they can ask you. Write your answer. And this next page, again, there's questions at the bottom. Have somebody read them to you, fill in your answer, and send me a picture. I love you guys very much. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.